on, after getting this data, my paper will be done. What? Why did I get this result? It should be lower than 1. I will change some data and rerun it. Change its ones to zeros, delete this data. Yeah, finally! The result fits my hypothesis. This is great!
Shane, why are you so excited?
I just finished running my data. It fits my hypothesis.
Congratulations!
I'm going to write up my result and turn it in. My advisor would be happy. I can graduate now. Yay!
Well, the result seems too low. I know the result should be lower than 1 to be perfect. Indeed, your result is lower than 1, but it should also be higher than 0.1. 0.022 is way too low.
Really? I have changed several parts of data to get this result.
Well, if you could get 0.22, it would be more perfect, and it also proves that your design is doable. Try to rerun it.
Rerun? I have rerun several times. I have almost changed all of my original data. What else can I do? Well, it should be alright.